Oh, you want to stir up some Karens, do you? Don't worry, there's more. Hey, yeah, boy. That boy right there, boy. Can't forget about this big old boy right here. Going into the darkness right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. This stuff does not come off. Oh, shit. Come on, grip clean. Save me. Huh. Let's see if I can... Bruh. Bro, there ain't no way. Dude, check, watch this. Huh. Why would you fucking look at that? Okay, shit. Let me just get a handful of this right here. Let me just get a, we need a little bit more. Let's just, I'm curious now. What's this, right? This shit. Usually jeans do the trick, but like, it's just not happening. It's the same towel. Dude. Might need another one, but like, it's coming off. Got another one. See if we can. They got some grit to them too. Holy shit. Damn. Dude, I definitely got to keep this thing in my truck, dude. Holy shit. My skin's so soft. It's like they're rough, so they're like exfoliating too. Like, damn. That's like shower in a freaking can right there. Holy shit. This will now be a part of me everywhere I go.